Hey everybody, this is Mr. Murray, and I want to talk to you guys about how to create the land and the landscape that we're doing today. So pull up your clouds picture from yesterday, and you can hide all the clouds just by going to your layers window and pushing the little eyeballs off each of the cloud layers. We're just going to focus on putting some ground in over the background. Okay, so here's my background layer, and that's the nice blue sky. I'm going to add a layer by pressing the Create New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers menu. Next, I want to set up my foreground and background colors to be a muted sort of shade of green. Not too bright because that'll look too close, but I want you to pick like a middle kind of army green. It can be closer to gray than actual green. Select OK. Your background color can be the same as your sky. So you can select your background color by using the eyedropper and setting that up. Next up, you're going to go to your rectangular marquee tool, which is just under the Move tool. Select that and create 10 pixels of feathering for your rectangle marquee tool. That'll make the grass look like it's far away. After that, what you're going to do is draw a rectangle across the bottom of your page. Use your gradient tool to draw a line into that space. See how that blends the green and the blue nicely. If you draw from the bottom to the top, you'll get the blue at the top. If you draw from top to bottom, you'll get the green at the top. If you would just experiment and see what looks best for you. Next thing is you're going to draw another rectangle underneath that one and slightly thinner. Next thing you're going to do is pick a slightly brighter green. So I just went from here to there, just bumped up the shade a little bit, and I'm going to fill that in with my gradient tool. You can carry on doing that if you'd like, and that will make several layers of grass land in front of your sky. To finish this off, what I like to do is Command D, and here's my grass. It's all together in one layer. To make it a little more interesting, I like Command T, right click, and warp. This gives me the opportunity to give the land a little bit of contour. So by dragging on these lines here, you can make the ground a little more interesting than it would be if it were just straight. So try out these tips, and we're going to add trees to this next. Thanks for watching.